Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This morning I did a video on this and I started rereading his email. He mentioned something about he couldn't smart fill some areas in white. So I'm thinking he wants, this is transparent, and there's also some things I need to fill in, but that's beside the point. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a duplicate of this and nudge it over. And there you see that's white, but it's not really white because it's transparent. And it's just the white of my screen. So if we take a rectangle and fill it in with white, and then go to Object, Order, Back of Page, now what we can do, and one I need to make sure this is all grouped together, and it's not. So I'm going to group all that together, Control G. And now I'm going to grab everything and I'm going to go to Intersect. It's going to take just a second because it's got a lot to do. But what that's doing is putting white, is also putting a thicker line. So I'm going to make it back to a hairline. So now if we remove our white box, and that fooled me, go up to Object and Order and Back of Page. Now there is white where he wanted the white. It intersected all the white. Now still, I have to go in here with the Smart Fill tool and maybe, or I don't, but you can fill in the other spots that aren't filled in with the Smart Fill tool in an earlier video. But if he was going to print this like on a yellow t-shirt or a blue t-shirt, the white would show up. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.